Hello friends, what's better than some shower steamers when you've had a long day? These were gifted to me from Popchose to share with you guys, and we're gonna open it up. This one here is the variety pack and it has some great scents in it. We all have our own favorite scents, so let's look what kind of scents they have in here. These also make a great gift for a loved one. They come in this beautiful box over here, so just wrap it up, give it to them, put a bow around it. It's so colorful and nice, you don't even need to do anything with it. So let's take a close look here at the different scents they have here. So we have the lemon and mandarin delightful. We have the orange and vanilla calming. Jasmine here. Oh, I love the jasmine smell. It smells so nice. We have the refreshing peppermint, kind of wakes you up. Want to calm, of course, you need chamomile and rose. Lavender is also unbeatable, always my favorite here. Lavender delightful and grapefruit delightful. Menthol and eucalyptus. The menthol and eucalyptus is also a gorgeous scent to have. These can easily also be cut in half over here and used as a half a piece in a shower or as a full piece in a full bath. So this is what they look like here. They do have a shrink wrap around them to keep them nice and fresh. This is a beautiful gift, definitely something you can stock up on for Christmas coming or any occasion. I love these. Thank you for the gift. I'm going to enjoy it.